All right, they just updated the weather and changed it drastically. It went from not being a serious storm to now 25 centimeters, almost a foot of fresh pow pow. The oil level's perfect. You guys say like oil like oil? I know some of you southern guys, you say oil. Hey, smile. Gates locked, truck's plugged in, loader's plugged in, skid steer backward plugged in. I'm gonna head home, get a workout in, and I will catch you guys in the morning. So cue time lapse of snowstorm now. Not too many early mornings that you can stand out in the middle of traffic lights, especially at this intersection, March and Carp. Look at that. What a beautiful morning. Nobody out, nice and quiet, sitting here at an intersection. I love it. Oh boy, did we get what we asked for, man. We gotta fire up the skid steer. This storm is still kicking. It's supposed to actually still kick until this afternoon. Perfect. Then from there, what we're gonna do is head to the yard. We got the trucks going out on rental today, but the yard needs to be cleared before they even go out. So that's why I'm up super early. It's just before 5. I'm gonna get copyrighted for using this song, but it's one of my favorite songs and I love plowing, and let's go plowing. Getting white. Is your Patriot? That's fun. What up, dudes? It is really snowing out. It's reminding me of like, you know, in Star Wars, whenever the Millennial Falcon goes in hyperdrive or hyperspeed and the stars, it looks like it's coming at it. That's kind of what it looks like this morning outside. In the comments was like, hey, whoever's driving the skid steer has it rev too high. That's how I used to run it too. That's how Brad runs it. I have it honestly just below 3/4 throttle and in second speed, and it's way quieter, way more better on fuel, and it does just as good as the job and goes just as quick. So that's a huge bonus. I need another coffee. I'm being way too serious. This is how a professional shovels. All right, let's go fire up the loader. Oh, baby. Loader started. guys don't normally get to be in the loader with me. Kenny just went out. I don't really like sending my trucks out on days like this, but he drives slow, takes his time, he'll be all right. We'll finish this up, and then what we'll do is go to Timmy's and get a coffee because it's Friday, baby. Yo! All right, so it's about 10:30 here now. I called Alan, I made the call. We got about another 5 centimeters on the ground. There's a lot, there's probably a good over 25 centimeters on the ground. But I made the call. They're saying there might be a system that comes through this afternoon. It's one of those things where I don't think that it's gonna be like a crazy amount. And the fact is there's clients and stuff that need to come in as it's Friday. So let's go get her done, baby. Let's just get her done and frickin' do it, dude. All right, it's actually snowing in the backhoe right now because it's snowing so bad, and hopefully you guys can hear me because this mic is covered in snow. Yeah, so we will definitely be back plowing again. This is insane. We are getting a lot of snow, probably in total more snow than that, even the big one that the last video you guys watched of like snow plowing. Al is in the loader, so what we're gonna do is hop up the drone up in the air, get some drone shots of him just moving this powder. It's still snowing like crazy outside, so we're getting a lot of snow. I'd say we've gotten over a foot by now, and they're saying it's still gonna come till about 4:30, and it's about 2:15 now, so this is gonna be a good plowing video. Make sure to subscribe.
White snow, red sky, reach out for so high, blue eyes, fake cry, beware of the fox tonight. Cold feet, dark rain, my blood in your frozen veins, dream high, no pain, run fast.
Nothing wrong with ending the Friday night, Friday day, I don't even know why I just said that, with a little fire. Still burning that old Christmas tree. Got the dog here with me. Beauty night. We're gonna head back tomorrow morning and do another cleanup because we still got another 6 centimeters. So this is probably the most times I've gone in for a storm. It's probably like the longest duration storm I've ever done. We're just gonna chill here for a bit and head home. Catch you guys in the morning. Minus 25, over minus 31 with the wind chill. Oh, beautiful morning, look at that. Oh, baby. So if the audio sounds different, I left my, it's so cold that I left my Hero 7, which is my main camera, in the truck last night, and I even put a warm battery on it, and it's been on the heater, and it's still not turning on. It's so cold out here. All right, it's a beautiful morning. I'm gonna hop on the Toro blower. It's too cold to bring the mount. You guys had to stay on my body to keep the batteries started. Let's just get after it. Hang on. We're still rocking. We made her back, finished. That was quick, but it was nice, and it was a beautiful morning, so that's the main thing. And just like that, the plowing's portion is complete. So now what's going on is I'm gonna go home, get a workout in. I'm almost home right now. And then I'm not sure what I'm gonna do after that. I might do a podcast, but I think I'm gonna do something work related for sure. I'm not definitely someone who just doesn't want to do something that isn't work related. So we're gonna do that, work hard, and get healthy. Any other construction guys relate? Whenever you like drive for a long extended period of time and then you look down and your beacon's been on the whole time on the road and you wondered why people were looking at you weird, and then you just looked at them weird because you thought they were being rude, but really your beacon was just on? I know somebody can relate.
We went from getting honestly no snow to we just got another snowstorm today. The clips that you're watching right now is a video that's going to be coming out near the end of this week. I'm blessed that we're getting this much snow. Make sure you guys are subscribing, and the video's still going, so keep watching.
This is probably one of my most favorite snow plowing videos, just with the amount of snow that we got, the amount of footage. It was awesome. Hopefully it keeps going up like this a little bit. It currently still is snowing a little bit, but I wanted to thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it so much. Make sure you guys are subscribing. That is the best thing. Giving the video a thumbs up, that helps like crazy. Whenever you guys actually like the video, it makes it so much better. Stay tuned because there's so much more cool stuff coming, like our truck coming back. That's completely restored, painted black, chrome all redone on it. That big new purchase, that's coming up soon. Lots going on. Catch you guys later. And of course, I didn't forget about you guys, the true patrons of the channel that watch the entire videos to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those true patrons, I want you guys to comment down below, fresh pow. Why fresh pow, you might ask? Well, this week was full of fresh powder. We got I think it was 3 to 4 different kind of systems with fresh powder being dropped on us. So if you watch the entire video to the very end, I want you guys to comment down below, fresh pow. I always appreciate you true patrons of the channel. You guys are my favorite. Take care, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.
Also, I'm putting this at the very end because I don't like promoting this stuff because I like you guys subscribing. I don't want you guys to think that you ever have to pay for anything ever. Subscribing's free. But if you ever did want to, the shirt that I'm wearing today, I'll show you the back here. It's called the Creeper shirt. It has all our socials on it. And the link for all that stuff is in the description down below. Okay? You don't have to, but people that want to support, I appreciate that. Thank you.